Welcome to Tech Support Tuesday, and on today's Tuesday video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to protect yourself against ransomware for free in Windows 10. First, go ahead and click on the Windows Start button, then click on Settings, then click on Update and Security, then Windows Security, and then select Virus and Threat Protection. Under Virus and Threat Protection settings, click Manage Settings. Now here there's various settings for real-time protection, cloud delivery protection, and automatic sample submission, but if you scroll on down here, under Controlled Folder Access, you can click that and turn it on. Now if we go ahead and click on Protected Folders, you'll see that the defaults are your libraries for your user, and you can go ahead and click on Add a Protected Folder if you want to add additional folders. Now, if you end up using a program that is not allowed to save to your protected folders, then it will actually show up in your block history. But now we're going to go ahead and click on Allow an App. And as you can see here, most of the apps are already going to be allowed that Microsoft determines that are safe to be able to use. Now, if you click on Add an Allowed App, you can go ahead and add it from the recently blocked apps, or browse all of your apps and add it manually. So that's it for today's video, and if you like this video, go ahead and slap that like button if you're into that kind of thing, and if you didn't like this video, then go ahead and slap that dislike button twice so we know that you mean it.